Immaculate newly constructed home located in a prime subdivision of Barbourville, Kentucky. A perfect location within a quiet neighborhood and less than a 2-mile drive to shopping, grocery, hospital and restaurants. This charming residence has 1,800 square feet with an open floor plan and no steps at the main entry for easy access. The home has beautiful, engineered hardwood and tile floors throughout. The living room has vaulted ceilings and a custom stone fireplace with glass rock insert. A television bracket and wiring is installed for up to a 75-inch TV. The property has underground utilities with fiber optic internet available in the area along with an alarm system. The gorgeous kitchen has granite countertops, a stainless steel dishwasher and spacious island. Custom cabinetry includes soft close hinges and modern handles. There is a water line already installed for the new refrigerator, to allow the new homeowner to put their personal touch on the home. The double sliding glass doors allow natural lighting into the home and entry to backyard from the deck. The master bedroom and master bath provide a peaceful retreat featuring a double vanity, walk-in shower and walk-in closet. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The attached 2-car garage allows for easy access to the home with only a single step. This home is nestled on 1.5 lots with another 1.5 available for purchase, making the property a corner lot at the entry section of the subdivision. This home won't last long. Call and schedule a showing today.